Let's make a new slime called Counting Sheep. First step was to add 6 glue gallons into my mixer and then added blue food dye. I activated it and mixed it all together, and then it was time for the white clay because it is going to be a cloud dough texture. And the last step was to add a ton of instant snow into my slime. After the instant snow was fully incorporated into my slime, it was time for the add-ins. This slime comes with purple sprinkles, white glitters, and of course the sheep charms. Let me know in the comments your guesses for how many sheeps you think I added here. And this is the final result of our Counting Sheep slime. This slime is also scented like peppermint, which is very nice and fresh. It will be releasing in this Saturday's restock, so don't forget to set your reminders.